Things are urinate or defecate, no feed in your pot or your plate. Sip the vegetable straight, egg in the cake, Rome got a bake, enough intake, milkshake, them belly ache and them regurgitate. Fruits rejuvenate, dead flesh annihilate, no tell about no make no mistake, and I'm the snake nor the ape. Herbs set you medistrate, sip it up no hesitate, youth, no struggle with no heavyweight. Herbalists stay strong, burn the filthy weak up. Cannibals try, they still can't defeat us. Them have to get bun for all the flesh them eat, plus blood them drinking from them champagne glasses and them teacups. Them eat all the human fetus. Flies still a follow them all when them use cologne for sweet up. Lightning bust them head not only heel string and knee cup. Vampire get slew no chance to creep or sneak up. Teach the youth the truth, never let them go astray. Give the children the fruit, show the bloody meat away.